Welcome to this week's Just the Tip. This is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and this week I want to talk about creating the toy room of your dreams. So let's say you had a blank slate toy room to begin with. You want to really think about the major things that your kids do. So creating sections and categories for building, creating, artwork, crafting, just general independent play, different types of toys that they might love or things that they're really into, and just kind of decide where you want each of these elements to happen within your toy room. You know, a desk for creating, some storage for crafting, things of that nature, shelves for books, toy solutions for putting toys away, and all that kind of good stuff. Then once you have those categories, you'll put your sorted items out into each category. One thing I would highly recommend is to start with fewer toys. So if you've got some categories that they're not super into right now, you want to go ahead and bin those up and put them away, and we'll call this your toy rotation. And we can take those out at a later time and it'll be like Christmas morning. But for now, the fewer toys you have in your toy room, the better. But creating those unique areas is really, really going to help you get your kids engaged and play a little bit more independently in their toy room. So we'll just see you next week for the next Just the Tip.